Hi, my name is Christos Pittis. I am an accounting teacher and also run an educational organization. I have been teaching accounting for 7 years now and I helped many students of mine. As an accounting teacher, I help professionals, young entrepreneurs and students to understand basic accounting principles and techniques in order for them to effectively communicate with potential investors, suppliers and customers. Furthermore, this is to give them a better understanding of accounting to see the whole picture for them to achieve their financial goals. My personal aim is to help you succeed and create a long-lasting relationship. I want to help you to stand on your own feet and not to depend on others because this might lead to wrong decisions. I want you to be confident when venturing in the sea of business. I want you to be educated in this field. And when you are adequately equipped with this, you will then be able to evaluate things and make better negotiations. What I offer: video lectures, teachers' PowerPoint slides, book, solutions, LCCI past papers and certification.